Good morning. These are today's football predictions. It all is going on in the International Club Europa League, and we have some predictions for you, but not in that league. And I've selected five draws for you, a total of 600. Or let's get started. The first game we have today is in India I League, where Northeast United is taking on Punjab, and my prediction is full-time draw. The next game we have here is a game in Armenia Premier League, where FC Noir Yerevan is taking on Ararat Yerevan FC, and my prediction is full-time draw. The next one we have is in Kuwait, where Al Fahari is taking on Al Samia, and my prediction is full-time draw. As you know, we have a premium channel where we share short two odds on daily basis and also 5 to 20 odds. We also have three selected at draws three times in a week. So if you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. I'll use the opportunity to say congratulations to all our VIP subscribers. They've been winning. So I believe we'll do better as time goes on. So let's get started. Moving on, we have a game in the Serbia Premier League where FK Neprada Krusevac is taking on FK TSC backlog, and my prediction here is full-time draw. The last game we have on this list is a game in the Romania Division 2 where CS Concordia Chanja is taking on CSC Dombrevita, and my prediction is full-time draw. That gives us five matches, total of 602 odds. So that's all I have for today. Go ahead and select this game in your own local bookie if you are not using Sportybet. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And I wish you guys good luck, and always remember to bet responsibly. I'll see you guys next time.